Do it. All right, guys, on this episode, we're gonna try to get this $400 jet ski running. Happy 4th of July. Cody, hit it. On the last Rogue Wave video, you saw us take this $400 Seadoo, throw some new parts on it, and we got it running in my driveway. But now it's time to take it up to the lake and see if it actually works out on the water. It's also July 4th weekend, which means the whole Motiv8 Labs gang is headed up to the lake, so let's get going. All right, guys, it's July 4th weekend. I'm headed up to the lake with the old pink Punisher. I've lost the speed sensor on the truck. So the speedo started flickering, went to 0, and it puts it in like a limp mode. So now I can only go 55 miles an hour. So I'm gonna see if I can find the speed sensor on this thing. Oh, it's been a while since I've been under the old International. Oh, it's an Allison 4-speed. Yeah, man, I don't know. What is this Gigantor thing? Surely that's not it. I was hoping maybe the plug just fell off or something, but I highly doubt I'm gonna get that lucky. Here's the only other plug I can find. Okay, let's see, did that do anything? Hell no, no speedo. So, looks like I'm driving all the way to the lake in limp mode, 55 miles an hour. Be holding traffic up. Sorry in advance to everyone. So after the entire state of Texas passed me, since I could only do 55 miles an hour, I made it up to the lake, and Cody had broken down immediately in his boat, and the gang was stranded with him just floating out in the middle of the lake. So Cody's gonna be the first person to try out the Pink Punisher jet ski, but first I've gotta try and rescue them off the water. Happy 4th of July weekend. So we're out here at the lake. Cody just took the boat out with the whole gang on it, and they broke down immediately, overheating. So we think his water pump bit the dust. Luckily, he's got a spare one up here at the cabin. So I'm gonna take it out there to him. They're out there floating around in the middle of the lake. Got his 50-pound toolkit here. Trying to figure out how to carry that on the jet ski. Cody, if I fling your toolkit off into the lake, I'm sorry. There we go. It's real heavy. There you go. It's really blocked up?
Yep. Motor's done.
This might just be hot.
Motor sound's done.
It's hot. Made it over here to the boat. Real quick, you gotta tell everyone what happened.
What's going on, guys? Well, as you can see, we're on beautiful Lake Texoma here.
Yeah.
And this is pretty much what we were planning on doing anyway.
Just being in the water?
Chilling out in the water.
Yeah.
Going to no place in particular.
So it looks like y'all made it, I don't know, a mile from the marina maybe?
That's all you need, man. That's all you need.
Y'all are kind of used to seeing this site. So
Yeah.
we're back here again. Everything was going great. Then I got a nice little beep. Checked my gauges. We're sitting at like 250 degrees.
So it actually beeps at you?
Yeah, it set off a high-pitched
A high-pitched
siren.
squeal.
We were over 250.
You're saying the temp gauge read 250?
Yep. So we sat here. Kyle went to get us some parts and some tools. Went to start it, got a half a rotation and a hard stop. It kind of seemed like it had a cylinder full of water, which is bad.
Yeah, that'd be bad.
Let it sit for a minute, hit it again, and it made a full rotation, and then you heard metal on metal.
Metal on metal. It's not locked up, man. It can't be locked up. It's a big block 454.
Got that going?
Look at it in there, Kaiser.
And just so you know, yes, we are full of good fresh oil.
Okay, the oil's good. Happy 4th of July.
Circles around it.
What do you feel down there? Oh, Cody, what is that piece? Is that a piece of rubber that just came out here? Is that a piece of impeller or wood?
I don't know.
Dude, that looks like a piece of impeller.
It's not.
Feel anything?
I can't feel anything wrong, but I can't fucking see shit. And what I need is some more waves. Can you flag some people down and get them to do donuts around us?
You need more waves? Yeah, hey, there's more waves coming. We got a wakeboard boat. Make big waves for Cody. This is practice for being in the ocean and fixing stuff, man. The waves stop for no man. It's gonna be okay, man. Yeah. Hi guys, the motor I think is officially locked up, so it's tow time. I'm gonna hook Cody up to the ski, tow us back to the cove. Yes, sorry man, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be all right. Okay. Hey man, I gotta say, you handled this a lot better than you would have 10 years ago.
What, me?
Yeah.
Well, there ain't nothing I can do about it. I like the biggest reason I'm not so pissed about the motor taking a shit. I'm pissed because of the timing.
Yeah. The whole point of us buying this $400 pink Seadoo was to have it be punishment for any of us that had their boat break down. So even though I worked on this thing all week, I wanted to make sure Cody was the first to try it out. All right guys, we're gonna go get Cody. We're gonna wake him up because he's gotta be the first to ride the ski, just in case it breaks. How late did you stay up last night?
5?
5?
No, it was this morning, really.
This morning. Hey, you ready? Because we just put it in the water on the trailer, pulled it off the trailer, it floats. And it took everything to not ride it. Because you gotta be the first. You gotta be the first to do it.
Do it.
Alright, let's go. Step one, just sit on it and see how it floats with you on it. Whoa, they lean a bunch. Holy shit.
Yeah, this is old school, man. This is back when you couldn't be a bitch.
Jeez. How much do you weigh?
I'm a fucking fat motherfucker.
Oh.
Fat boy. What do you want?
Holy crap, man. Hold on. Whoa. That's just how they were back then?
Yeah.
All right, guys, on this episode, we're gonna try to get this $400 jet ski running. Happy 4th of July. Cody, hit it. Oh, light him up. Okay, I gotta get this. Can he get back on it? All right, he fell off. He said it's really tough to get back on. Can he do it? He got on it. Now, will it start though? Probably not. He probably flooded it. No? I can't believe it's still running. How's it run?
This thing's too fun.
Is it good?
It's good.
Like, is it stumbly or anything? Or
No, this is the best jet ski we have.
It's the best jet ski we've got?
Yes.
Oh, that's awesome.
Somebody get on this and experience it. It is amazing.
Well, ride it while it still works. Oh, shit! Yeah, you can hear the pump unhooking a lot when you're riding it, but
it gets out of the water fast, but man, it's fun. It's light. It's nimble.
yeah. 2-strokes, man. Why did they ban them? Probably because of the clouds of smoke and oil that you're literally burning, I guess.
It's like a 2-stroke engine emits about as much as 80 cars.
As 80 cars?
Something like that.
For just a few miles of riding the jet ski around, it started running bad, so we sent Nate out on it to investigate. Yeah, good. Nice. Oh no! Why'd it die? So you can see Nate, he's looking, he's becoming one with the engine. You can kind of feel what it's doing. You see him thinking real hard. You see the big question mark above his head right now? He's determining what this engine is doing. I watch, he's gonna come in with some insight. Watch. What do you think?
It's still too much fuel, but it's like, it starts cutting out right around half throttle, and if you give it full throttle, it just dies.
See that? I tried messing with the low speed fuel adjustment and the high speed fuel adjustment, but it just kept dying if you give it any more than half throttle. So it's probably time to rebuild the carb and clean the fuel system out, and that's kind of normal for these old 2-stroke jet skis. That's it running out of fuel.
Why'd you bring broken shit up here?
For the one time.
$400. All right, so we broke this. We broke your boat. You did get to ride the pink jet ski. I'm glad you went on it first. That was the whole idea.
Well, it's fun.
All right, good. We'll fix it. Now we've got to tow your POS boat about 2 miles to the marina, maybe.
Should be good.
And the only thing we've got running is the green jet ski, so that should be fun. Doesn't it look like it got hit? Oh, yeah.
No, they didn't. That's all screwed up.
Did they get
For a second,
T-boned?
it kind of did look like it.
Oh, I bet this was one from the tornado, man.
I doubt it.
Yeah, 'cause look.
No, look at the pressure point. They had this up and they backed into something.
No.
Yes.
That wouldn't do
Look, 'cause
that
all,
much
look,
damage.
all the pressure is down here, coming off the top.
So we're in the no wake zone now. What I think we're gonna do is shorten our rope up so I can control his boat a little better. So I think that's a little too long of a line to get through this crowded marina. So we're gonna shorten this rope up. I think we gotta shorten this up so I can actually control you coming through here. Let's try this. Oh, that's what Cody needs, a little sea ray. Oh, that's nice. How does it feel to be towed to this marina? When's the last time you got towed to this marina?
That's been a long time, man.
All right. I'm gonna swing your arse around. That's not bad. That ain't bad at all.
Held on you.
Do you feel like a failure getting
No.
pulled in like this? No?
I still had fun with friends.
Oh, good, man.
I got punished a little by the pink.
Yeah, you did. Oh, it's the mash. Where's Jeff? Jeff loves mash. So now it's halfway through the summer, and all of our boats are broken. And hopefully Cody's engine isn't totally ruined, because those Mercruiser 454s are not cheap. But at least the $400 jet ski ran for a little bit, and it was still a great 4th of July with the gang. So we'll keep working on our boats, and we'll see you guys next time.